My husband used to do all my paperwork, all my reading and writing for me, and he used to do all the bills. When he died, we didn't have nobody to do it, so I put my name down for the college to move back down here. And the month before, my friend died of a drug overdose. So I ended up being sectioned. My kids got taken off me, but I got them back now. And I got sectioned for 18 months. And I decided to come in here to learn so I can teach my kids.
She talks a lot about her background, her experiences, how they've affected her, how they motivate her to learn. And she's made really good progress because of those motivations, her children being foremost amongst them.
Do you know, I couldn't even write my name when I come in. I couldn't even write a text. My kids sit down and help me to read my homework, help me to bring up words, teaching me on the computer, and it's just great.
You can see that the reasons why she's been able to make such dramatic life changes is because she's got everybody's support, from her brother to her mum, her children. And I think it takes real guts to sit down, you know, with your children and be able to admit that their skills in reading and writing are better than yours. And yet that's exactly what she's done.
I don't mind what I do long I can make my kids proud of me and my family proud of me. So I know my husband's proud of me. So that's good.
We all want to wish our congratulations, all the learners in class, me, our other tutors, those in the office, everybody just wants to say congratulations and well done.
Coming out of hospital and then coming here was so hard, but I done it, and I think, yeah, I'm proud. And I hope my nan's proud and all. So, hopefully. So I'm really happy, yeah. I'm really happy.